Welcome to Michigan Life above the 45th parallel. I'm Clarissa.
And I'm Jason.
And we're on our way up to celebrate Christmas, but by the time you get to see this one, we should be saying Happy New Year.
Yep. We're on our way up to the property. On our way up to see your parents for Christmas.
Yep. And we're going to end up doing a little bit of work in the...
Yep. Hopefully get a little property work done if we can squeeze in some time on this holiday weekend.
Mm-hmm. And at this point, you know as much as we do, so let's go find out what we do today.
Yep. Tag along, guys, and see how our Christmas weekend goes.
Yeah. Our snowmen have melted. Well, guys, we ended up getting up here and it's actually got no snow.
Yeah, we got no snow. It all melted.
Even our little snowmen.
Yeah.
It's just a little pile.
There's like a little teeny tiny bit of one of them. And then all the stuff we use for the nose and buttons is just laying in a pile on the deck.
Yeah, it's pretty funny actually. But yeah, it almost looks like opening time.
Yeah.
The way that it feels and everything up here right now.
It's like mid-40s, no snow. It's very quiet.
Oh, it's very quiet. We don't hear the dogs.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
We
a
have
huge
some
thing.
Neighbors with lots of dogs.
Yeah.
At times it kind of...
Gets a little loud.
Yeah.
But that's okay. They keep the bears away.
It's true, very true. That's why we don't see bears around here. I've,
Yep.
what, 3.5 years now up here and we haven't seen a single bear?
No.
I'm still waiting.
I'd rather not.
I want to. I know they're here.
I'd rather not see one.
Yeah.
But yeah, check it out, guys. It's a nice heat wave coming through of 44 degrees. So we'll see what kind of trouble we can get to. Jason's getting into the shed here. So we're going to be doing something.
All the chainsaws are down there.
You brought them home?
Yeah.
What?
So they didn't set up in case, just in case. I need.
You didn't think to bring them back?
No, I didn't think when we left.
Well, guess we're not doing anything with the chainsaw.
I do want to grab my floor jack though. Alright, so our plan was to come up here and maybe get some work done in the clearing with the chainsaw. I forgot I brought my chainsaws back downstate and not back up here. So, I might have to dip into the old Poland I had, which is my first chainsaw up here from 3 years ago, and this thing was a turd. So, who knows if I can even get this thing to start. But I just need to, we were thinking about just de-limbing like the big trees we dropped last time. So I'm not like trying to cut down a big tree. So if I can just get it to run to do some de-limbing, we can stack it up. And then kind of clear up the clearing a little bit more was our plan. So let's see if this old girl works. I haven't used this thing in a long time. I don't even know. Chain looks not bad. This thing just never ran good. That's not a good sign. It's got fuel been sitting in there. So I bet you I'm probably gonna have some gummed up little carb. bar oil. Do not have high hopes for this. She always ran kind of rough when I had her. Now she sat for 3 years, so I don't know. Kind of praying that it starts and runs and we can do a little bit of work. If not, we might just have to figure something else out, or I don't know, do nothing. Wow, that is surprising.
Need to prime it again?
She doesn't want to stay running. There's something up with the choke. There's an adjustment in there. This thing's always been a pain, guys. Glad I got my still. I forgot how much pain this was. Like I said, it runs good, it cuts good, but it just doesn't like to stay running. I can get it to start. So, I don't know. I've had to try and get it looked at once or twice. It's never really ran good. I forgot our good saw's downstate, so I don't know if we're going to do any clearing work today. Kind of sucks. I was hoping to get a little accomplished today. Might have to think of something else, or maybe not do anything. Who knows? We'll have to figure it out. But this ain't gonna work. The reason why it stays locked up in the shed. I need to maybe try and get a tune-up on it again. Maybe drop it off and then maybe sell it, because I don't ever use it. If it ran good, though, I'd keep it. It's always nice to have a backup saw, in case it still, like, completely breaks one day. I don't know.
Well, sometimes you end up bringing stuff home and you don't remember that you brought it home until you get back up here and remember, oh crap, I took that back home. So, we're going to go over to...
on me. It's my fault.
It's alright. So we're going over to my mom and dad's. We're gonna go and hang out and chill for a while, and then maybe tomorrow we'll go ahead and come back over and do a little bit of stuff while we're up here.
Yep, maybe I have to borrow Dad's
chainsaw. Yep, he's got one too, so
yeah.
we should be able to borrow one.
We only had like an hour.
Yeah,
hour and a half max of light to get any work done. We were trying to, maximize the weekend up here and peck away at it like we like to, but
yeah, sometimes we need to just sit back and relax.
Yeah, maybe we.
And we're starting to learn that. So maybe we'll take a little bit of a couple shots of being over at Mom and Dad's, and then we'll see you in the morning.
That's Grandpa Von's 024. It's probably 30 years old.
You had it rebuilt?
Yep, it's all rebuilt. We'll start it up and just actually get Jason out here so I can show him how to start it.
Okay.
This is an old 024 from the 70s.
From the 70s?
Yeah. Wow. See the 024 there?
Yeah.
So the oil's done and gas, but you gotta hold that button down, that button, push it all the way down to choke.
Yeah. What's this lever?
That's just to hold that thing on there.
You just had it rebuilt too.
Not the engine. It's sitting in the garage. Oh, that oil.
I always spill bar oil when I do. Always.
Guess we better make sure it runs, huh?
Mine runs, just doesn't stay running that third pole in the head.
I got it on. Feel the chain, see if it's too loose.
That's tight.
That
It's right there.
that screw, that handle in there.
Yep.
That if you look at back in this side here, right there, that's where you tighten the chain down.
Okay. Yep. All right.
If you need to.
Yep. I mean, I only got a D-limb 3 trees. Shouldn't be too bad.
Well, and then this one here.
Oh, the DeWalt.
Yeah. You gotta push this button in here before you hit it, otherwise it won't go.
All right, guys, now we're going to head over to the property and
Yep.
we're going to get some trees cut up.
Yep. We picked up a spare saw
Yep,
from Eric, and we're going to use it over at the property.
yep. But you'll have to catch the clearing on
the
our next
video.
episode.
Yep.
But thanks for tagging along for our video today, guys.
Yep.
And if you like what you watch, make sure that you like
Subscribe.
and share our content.
Yep. And comment.
Yes, and comment. Of course, comment. I
She
want
loves
comments. So we'll see you guys on the next one.
All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for tagging along, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.